I got a 2020 Toyota Sienna. Minivan. We're gonna change cabin filter. Gonna pop the glove box open. Take all your stuff out of it. Gonna pull on. Push in a little bit. It's you definitely gotta apply a little bit of pressure and pull out. And I'll show you why. These tabs right there socket in those holes. So it does seem like might be a little scary, like you're gonna break it, but it'll be okay. And then it's being held on by this little fake shock. And then it hinges, the door hinges. Once the door is open like that, you got two tabs on this guy. And you just squeeze them together at the same time. Pull that thing out. And there's your cabin filter. And that is what your little ones are breathing when you're taking them to soccer practice. And this is what it should look like. I mean, there's stuff actually cultivating in there. It's a science test going on right there. So, slide it right back into place there. Take that little door with the two tabs. It actually has a label on it that says which way is up. Snapped it in. I think maybe the trickiest part is those two hinges I told you about at the bottom. You got to make sure that they're socketed in, otherwise that door can kind of bind. And pushing those tabs in into their sockets there that we got to pop out, and then re-hook up your little shock absorber chingaderas here, right there. Pop, this pops back in. You're done. I fix them. So Toyota, the dealer, is about 270 bucks here an hour in California, and they will charge you a half an hour labor. So it's about $135 labor plus what, 40 bucks filter at Toyota. So I mean, you're close to 200 bucks. It's not that bad. You can do that yourself, and you saw the condition of that freaking thing. It definitely needs it. So go ahead and take care of that yourself, guys. Have a good day.